Hey there, fellow Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to Full Stack Ninja with Kirill Kirkov, where we talk about all things related to programming. Today, we're going to talk about data types in Python, and I'll show you some example code to make it easier to understand. So, what are data types? Data types are the different kinds of data that you can work with in Python. Python has several built-in data types that you can use, but we're going to focus on 4 of the most common ones: integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Let's start with integers. Integers are whole numbers with no decimal point. You can use them to represent quantities or anything that can be counted. Here's an example of using integers in Python. In this code, we're assigning the values of 25 and 175 to the variables my_age and my_height, respectively. Both of these values are integers. Next, let's talk about floats. Floats are numbers with a decimal point. You can use them to represent quantities that can have fractional parts. Here's an example. In this code, we're assigning the values of 3.14159 and 3.65 to the variables pi and GPA, respectively. Both of these values are floats. Now, let's move on to strings. Strings are used to represent text in Python. You can use them to store names, addresses, and any other text-based data. Here's an example. In this code, we're assigning the values of John and 123 Main Street to the variables my_name and my_address, respectively. Both of these values are strings. Finally, let's talk about booleans. Booleans are values that can be either true or false. You can use them to represent binary conditions, like whether something is on or off, or whether a statement is true or false. Here's an example. In this code, we're assigning the values of true and false to the variables is_raining and has_pet, respectively. Both of these values are booleans. So, that's it for today's video. I hope this has helped you understand what data types are in Python and how to use them in your code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.